really love the sciences at Trivium because the teachers here always show us how to apply what we learn to the real world around us. I remember doing a midterm lab in sophomore year chemistry, and we learned how to synthesize aspirin, and we did it by ourselves. She kind of just said, you're on your own, and we had to apply everything we learned into that midterm, and that really inspired me, and that's one of the reasons I really want to study chemistry now.
I love science because in the past I haven't been so thrilled about science, I'm going to be honest, but in the past 2-3 years I've been at Trivium Prep. I have enjoyed science much more, and I would say Miss Briggs and Miss Velez have really made me enjoy science.
I really love the teachers here because they're nice and forgiving. And like Miss Tambernino, I made this mistake once in class and she just laughed it off and corrected me.
The teachers here are what make the sciences really amazing. I mean, I might not be particularly interested in certain subjects of science, but the teachers are really interested in it, and they always try to make it as interesting as possible for us. So I think that's what's so inspiring about the sciences here.